Hey people, well I got me another fan, another new fan. This is a Lakewood model P-223/M from 1983. As you can see, it's that brown color. I thought, as well as having that one I have from 1987, it'd be nice to have an older one. Now, believe it or not, this one has the older white blade. This one here is from 1983, which of course would be the last year they still have the white blade with the hole in the center. This one also has the original box. Now, that's what the box looked like for this particular model. As you can see, that model number is P-223/M, which a lot of us believe stands for Mocha. As you can see, there's quite a bit of fading down there, as well as on the blue at the bottom. This is made in the USA. There's the one side. It's got some fading down below. This is actually the back. Front's got some more fading. This is actually the front. As you can see, it's even more faded there. And this is probably the only corner of the box or side of the box that does not have any fading, other than the top of the box. So that's the box. And now to the fan itself. This fan was pretty filthy when I got it, but it cleaned up nicely. The front grill you see here was originally the back grill, because what was on the front grill is a bit more yellowed, so that's now on the back. And they both seem to be bent along the middle thereabouts. And there's that brown color. This one, these early P-223Ms, they're not as dark a brown as the later ones from the mid to late 80s, like say the one I have from 1987. And there's the other side. Oh, and also these early ones had a decent paint job, unlike the later ones from the mid 80s, which had a rather sketchy paint job. I mean, paint job on that edition of these fans was kind of a rough texture. And if you weren't careful, some of it would scrape off, like say if you had it in a window or something. And as you can see, it's bent in the center. I think that'd be the edition from 1984 to 86 that would have the sketchy paint job. My 87 still has a decent paint job, just like this one does. Ugh. There's the back. Here's your typical Macmillan motor. Date code on this motor is F83, meaning this is from June of 1983. So I think that set it in between my other two Lakewood box fans I have from 1983. My K-223 being from May of 83, which of course, as we know, that would be the last year for the Kmart brand who wants to come in blue. And my regular tan P-223 from that year is, I believe, is from July of 83. Turn this thing around. And here's the top. And it's a good old classic metallic brown speed sticker. As far as we know, this version of the sticker came out in late '81, replacing the orange sparkly sticker. And now we'll give this thing a run. It's high. And like all these Lakewood box fans, this is a very smooth runner. Medium. Low. And it's got that nice quiet low that a lot of these Lakewood box fans are known for. Back to high. And finally OFF spells off. Oh, I forgot to point out the back grill. Yeah, this is what was originally the front grill. You may not be able to see it that well on camera, but some of you can probably see it. This grill is a bit more yellowed. Also, since the blade is white, the grills on this are also white. The later P-223Ms from the mid to late 80s, once again like the 87 one I owned, had not only were the blades tan, but also the grills, along with the handle and knob, were also tan. So there you have it. It's my 1983 Lakewood model P-223/M with the original box. So, thank you for watching.